Hey guys, so today I'm going to quickly teach you how you can download NetBeans on a macOS device. So first of all, I'm going to provide a link in the description below. You can quickly hop onto that link and this link will lead you to this page. This page includes the JDK 7 download and NetBeans 8.2. I prefer NetBeans 8 over the new Apache NetBeans series, so I'm downloading the older version. I also think it works better according to me. Yeah, so you want to go ahead and you want to download this. You want to download the Mac OS X for the 64 architecture. It's about 300 megabytes, and you can just go ahead and press download. The download should start, but it will ask you to sign up, and that's you could quickly just sign up. This is a official Oracle website. You don't have to worry about any viruses and stuff. So yeah, the download starts. I've already downloaded this for you guys, as you can see over here. So once this downloads, you can just quickly open it up and you can start downloading, and like any other application or software that you download on a Mac. This is a pretty yeah, so you just want to go ahead and install and put in your password and everything, and this would download pretty quickly. And I have seen that this works pretty fine because it comes with the JDK file that is the Java development kit. You know, sometimes the newer versions require the older Java development kit or some other thing, and it sometimes doesn't work. This was happening with me for a long time, so I decided to make this video for anybody that wanted, and if anybody else was also having this problem. And we can just wait for the download to finish. As you can see, the download has finished. You can close this and everything, and you can hop on to your app drawer and open it up, and you can see that NetBeans is opening. There is no problem in this software, and you can easily create projects and everything you like. I don't know why I was having a problem in which I could not do that stuff and everything. So as you can see, NetBeans opened. You can make new projects and everything. You can name anything, and that's it guys. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.